When it comes to financing specifically, what do I need to bring you to apply for financing?
That's a good question. A lot of it really depends on the amount that we're financing.
Right.
So if we're financing under 150,000, most of our lenders are going to provide us a decision on your loan with just a credit application. So just the stated income and employment on the credit application is all we would really need on a transaction under 150,000. And over 150,000 is really just some additional financial documents. So credit application still, and then your standard financial documents, things that you might normally see when financing a home. So 2 years tax returns, personal financial statement, bank statements, very common requests that most of us have available or readily available is what we would require at the time of submitting for the loan.
So when you talk about cars versus homes, I know those financing terms and the length of a loan, it varies. Where do boats sit in that whole, how long is a boat financed for?
Yeah, some people are actually kind of surprised to know that most of the boats or most of the loans that we secure are going to be a 15 or 20-year term in most cases. So, with recreational loans, they're a fixed rate, which also varies from other ways of financing a vessel, and there's no prepayment penalties. So the length of term is significantly longer than what some people are aware of.